Hi singers and welcome to Singgeek. In today's vocal exercise video, we're going to sing up and down the steps of the major scale using numbers. This is a great exercise to work on your pitch recognition. So if you're working on getting rid of some pitchiness or if you're working on your ear for improvisation, this is a great exercise for you. Try not to slide into the pitches going 1. Instead, try to get it right there on the pitch from the get-go. 1. Male singers, your track is right here. Female singers, we're going to first sing it together, and then you're going to sing solo. Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for singing with me. This is quite a short exercise, so feel free to go and do it a few times. For more exercise video, you can click the button right here. But before you do that, I invite you to subscribe to my channel right here. Join me every week as we continue to geek out on your voice to create the sound that you want.